Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do 2-strand twists into a bun, and this is the braiding hair that I used. I believe I used about a total of 5 packs. So what I did was I sectioned a part of my customer's hair and I secured it with a rubber band. And then I just took a small amount of styling gel and I smoothed it along her hair to tame the frizzies. Then you will take a small amount of the Kanekalon hair and begin her twist like you were starting a box braid. Now right here, I'm just taking my customer's hair and I'm wrapping it around the Kanekalon hair just to make sure her twist does not slip when I do her twist. Then you want to take the other side and you want to twist it in the opposite direction, and then you twist it around each other and you just continue the twist all the way throughout to the bottom. Now I'm just going to demonstrate it for you guys one more time. And this is my restoration scalp serum, and my website will be up shortly where I will be having this available for sale, along with a few of my other goodies that I do. So just keep watch for those things. I'll keep you guys posted. So just make sure you comb through your customer's hair very well, and then you take that section and you secure it with a rubber band. And again, all we're doing is repeating the process and steps from the previous twist that I just did. So I have all the twists done, and this was the size that my customer asked to do because she wanted them put up into a bun. She only wanted about 15 twists. And here's the bottom. I placed rubber bands around them, and I then went on and burnt the ends so that it wouldn't unravel. And this is what it should look like after you just lightly burn it with a lighter. And yeah, it shouldn't unravel now. And I only did it this way because she wants her twist put up into a bun. So I took the Got to Be Glued freeze spray and I sprayed all of the twists to secure the hole even more. And my customer also asked me to just do 2 French braids in the front and pin her twist up in the back. Try not to pull the twist too tight into a ponytail because you don't want to have any breakage. The twists are already a little tight, so you don't want to pull even tighter because that can break your customer's hair. So always make sure to keep hair care in mind when doing these styles. So all I did was lift the twist up and I tucked them, folded them, and pinned them down with the extra long bobby pins. And I apologize, I said 2 French braids. She actually asked for just 2 regular cornrows in the front. So again, I'm just lifting and tucking and pinning until the bun is complete. And here it is. She absolutely loved her style, and I'm so excited when my customers are excited. So I just sprayed a little bit of the Got to Be Glued freeze spray along her bun just to secure it even more. And here's what it looked like.